When making text in Avid, you of course choose the menu Tools, Title Tool, and then you get this menu where you have two options. Marquee is the advanced title tool in Avid, and the other one, Title Tool, is the less advanced. If you by coincidence have pressed the one up here, Persist, and then chosen one of them, for example Title Tool, it will always open Title Tool when you choose Tools and Title Tool from the menu. But what if you want to change that? How do we do that? We simply go down here and open the settings box, this one here, and then we scroll down until we find the marquee title, and here it is, and you double click it. Then it opens up the settings window for the marquee title, and here you have several options. If you choose marquee, it's always going to open marquee. Here's the title tool, and this one is going to ask you each time you open title tool. That's the one I prefer. And last, press OK.